Matt's Off-Road Recovery is a popular YouTube channel that follows the adventures of a group of off-road enthusiasts as they rescue stranded vehicles and help fellow off-roaders navigate difficult terrain. The channel is run by Matt Younkin, a Utah-based off-road enthusiast who has been exploring the desert and mountainous areas of Utah for many years. In this article, we will take a closer look at Matt's Off-Road Recovery's net worth and investments. As of 2022, Matt's Off-Road Recovery has an estimated net worth of around $10 million. This is a rough estimate based on the channel's advertising revenue, merchandise sales, and sponsorships. The channel is estimated to earn around $100,000 per month from advertising revenue alone, and this figure is likely to increase as the channel continues to grow. One of the primary investments made by Matt's Off-Road Recovery is in their fleet of off-road vehicles. The team uses a variety of customized vehicles to navigate the difficult terrain of Utah, and they are constantly upgrading and modifying their fleet to better suit their needs. The channel has also invested in a variety of equipment, including winches, straps, and recovery gear. Another major investment made by the channel is in their team of skilled off-road experts. Matt's Off-Road Recovery employs a team of experienced off-road enthusiasts who are trained in vehicle recovery and navigation. These experts are essential to the success of the channel, as they are able to navigate the difficult terrain and recover stranded vehicles in a safe and efficient manner. In addition to these investments, Matt's Off-Road Recovery also earns revenue from sponsorships and merchandise sales. The channel has partnered with a variety of brands, including Nitto Tires, BF Goodrich Tires, and Warren Industries, to promote their products and services. The channel also sells a variety of merchandise, including t-shirts, hats, and stickers. Future investments. As Matt's Off-Road Recovery continues to grow in popularity, the channel is likely to make additional investments to further expand their reach and capabilities. One potential area of investment is in new technology, such as drones and advanced navigation systems, which could help the team better navigate and explore the Utah wilderness. Another area of potential investment is in new channels and media platforms. Matt's Off-Road Recovery currently has a presence on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook, but the team may consider expanding to other platforms in the future to reach a wider audience. Conclusion. Matt's Off-Road Recovery is a successful YouTube channel that has gained a large following by sharing their off-road adventures with the world. The channel's estimated net worth of $10 million is a testament to the team's hard work and dedication, and their investments in off-road vehicles, equipment, and skilled experts have been key to their success. As the channel continues to grow, it is likely that they will make additional investments to expand their reach and capabilities.